Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to write an email with HubSpot. This feature can save you significant time by helping you draft professional email content quickly, whether you're working on marketing campaigns or simple outreach messages. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot.com. Sign in to your HubSpot account if you're not already logged in. This will bring you to your HubSpot dashboard where you can access all the platform's tools and features. Once you're in, look at the left side menu and hover your mouse over the option labeled Marketing. An expanded menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Email. This takes you to HubSpot's email management area where you can create and manage all your email campaigns. Now you're ready to start creating. Click on Create Email at the top of the page. HubSpot will prompt you to choose the type of email you want to create, whether it's a regular email, an automated sequence, or a blog RSS email. For this tutorial, we'll select the regular email option, which is perfect for standard campaigns and communications. Next, you'll need to choose an email template. HubSpot offers an extensive library of pre-designed templates, or you can use your own saved templates if you have any. For this demonstration, we'll select a sample template from the library. If you prefer starting from scratch, you can always choose a blank canvas and build your layout from there. Here's where the AI magic happens. Navigate to any section of your email where you need writing assistance. This could be a header, a paragraph, or any text block where you're struggling to find the right words. Click directly on that section to select it, then press the / button on your keyboard. This activates HubSpot's AI Generate menu, giving you access to intelligent writing assistance. You'll see two main options for AI help. Click on Paragraph from the expanded Generate menu. A prompt field will appear asking you to describe what you want the AI to write. Enter your prompt clearly, explaining the type of content you need. For example, you might type, "Write a friendly introduction for a product launch email," or "Create a compelling call to action for a webinar." Hit enter and wait a moment while the AI processes your request and generates suggestions tailored to your needs. Once you're satisfied with the results, simply copy the AI-generated text and paste it directly into your email section. Finally, when your email is complete, click Save if you want to work on it later, or click Review and Send if you're ready to finalize and schedule your email. The AI assistant streamlines the entire writing process, helping you create engaging email content without the usual time investment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.